guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how to do this look, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, as you can see, I already have pretty much most of my base done. So we're gonna just quickly move through this, okay? Now the palettes that I'm going to be using, Fantasy from Amazon, Patricia Bright, Makeup Revolution, and Rich in Life, and Anastasia and Jackie Aina collaboration. Okay, so those are the 3 palettes that I'm going to be using. Now just pray for me. Thanks. This beautiful dark, well, first we're gonna prime our eyes. We're gonna do something a little bit different that I haven't done before. I'm gonna do blonde eyebrows. So we're gonna do the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Okay, so my brows aren't done. As I have a spoolie brush, I am going to put all of it on here like that. Okay, I'm gonna brush through my brows. Okay, that came out actually kind of cute. Okay, just add a little bit more. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That actually came out kind of cute. Okay, we're gonna use the same concealer for our eyes to prime our eyes. Get easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Alrighty. Now don't worry about the shaping and all the things like that. Like I said, it's Grinch inspired, and his eyebrows are bushy as well. So that's why I'm not cleaning it up. I'm leaving it just as is, okay? So we're gonna go in with our dark color. We're gonna go in with Risk Taker here. We're gonna take our lighter green color here to blend that out. See, just like that. Yep, all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, get some black to kind of deepen that up a little bit. So the color is, we're gonna use Star Girl just to deepen that up. You're gonna focus it on the outer, just to kind of create like a false wing. And don't worry about this here, you're gonna clean it up with concealer. Okay, so now we are going to go into our shimmers. We're gonna use Extra AF to kind of go into like this part here. Okay, and then to kind of blend that in, we're going to use, we're gonna use this sparkly green color right here. For the inner eye. we're gonna go into wigglies here, because you can't be a Grinch look without some red now. Do the under eye, you just go back with, just do the dark green, you bring it underneath. For, you know, a little razzle dazzle for the inner corner, I'm just gonna add this little sparkly white right here, like that, just for a little razzle dazzle. Okay, so this is the before, and I'm gonna put on some lashes, and we're gonna get into the lip. Okay, y'all, lashes are done. Let's move on to the lips. Okay, you know, we gotta keep it kind of Christmassy theme. So we're gonna line our lips with, we're gonna go with Color Fighter from Thread Beauty. This is beautiful, beautiful red. So we're gonna line our lips. Okay. Then we're gonna go inside of our lips with this beautiful brown from Juvia's Place. It's toffee. So we're gonna, you know, fill it in the inside. Okay. And then on top of that, we're gonna use the color Zam from the Jackie Aina palette. Right in the middle of that. Look how beautiful that looks. We're gonna add trust issues. Ooh, child, just in the center of that, just to brighten it up a little bit. There we go. There it is. And there you have it, y'all. This is Grinch inspired makeup look. I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday. Happy Hanukkah, you know, happy Merry Christmas, happy holidays, you know, whatever it is. I hope you enjoy your holiday season, and you know, you try out some makeup look like this. That'd be great. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.